Thank God it's Friday. It's literally, thank God it's Friday. It's the last day of work, guys. And I'm still here. Ako na lang po ang naiwan sa mga ka-office staff ko sa HR department. So, anyway, I went to the doctor last night. And then, so, remember the last day, I mean, earlier I said, like, he gave me a medicine for my high blood pressure, and it really worked when I took it yesterday before I had my blood work. So when I got also the result from my blood works, oh my God, yung cholesterol ko is so high. I will get like a lot of, talk or advice or suggestions, whatever it is, from the doctor. So, unfortunately, yesterday also nag-start na ang cough ko. But the antihistamine actually worked. So, today, it's already like gone. But then, umubo naman. So, oh my God. So, imagine guys, I really need to take like a maintenance for my high blood pressure just to lower down my blood pressure. So, sakit. I don't want to accept it, but I'm feeling old. I'm so old already, my God. I tried to hide my white hairs and everything, but you cannot really help it. Ganito talaga, wala na guys, wala na. I'm really, really old. I'm so afraid that the doctor will tell me, you have to take a maintenance for your blood pressure because your cholesterol is very high. Wala na. Salty foods. Bye-bye.